Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create PHTG wallet, that is Phoneum Green token wallet in Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first you have to open the Trust Wallet and then you have to click on this icon, like this one, and then you have to create a new custom token as it is not in that list. So we have to create a new custom token. So click on the add custom token button and then you have to select the network. As you know that PHTG token is a TRC10 based network, that's why we have to click on this network here written as Ethereum. Click on it and then select an asset like Tron. Then you have to keep this on TRC10. Then you have to paste the token ID. I will put the every necessary thing in the description. So from the description you have to copy the token ID and paste it over there. As you see, the PHTG token ID is 1004130. Also I will put a link in the description where you will get the complete thing you need to know about PHTG token. So here we have to put a name, and that is Phoneum Green. I will put it like this, Phoneum Green. And then on the symbol section you have to write, as you know it is a PHTG token, that's why we have to write PHTG, and then in decimal you have to put 2. That's all. So what you have to do, you have to create a new custom token, then select the network, and that is Tron, also TRC10 based. Then put the token ID from the description, put the name Phoneum Green, and put the symbol as PHTG, and decimal is 2. That's it. Then click done. Then your account will be created. I already create a PHTG wallet, that's why I am not creating another wallet. I will show you my wallet. Here you see, this is my Phoneum Green wallet. So in this Phoneum Green wallet, when you going to receive token from somebody, what you have to do, you have to click on it and then click on receive. Here you see this is my Phoneum Green wallet, and you have to click copy to copy your link. As you see here written as send only Phoneum Green TRC10 to this address. Then whenever somebody send you Phoneum Green token by the your copied wallet, and then when they send you, then you will receive your token on this TRC10 Phoneum Green token wallet. That's all.